Excellent, thank you, Esme. Parallel lines and transversals, let's talk. Parallel lines, two lines that never
intersect.
They never intersect, ever. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect and form. Excellent. Two vertical lines is the symbol for parallel. An upside down symbol is the symbol, or an upside down symbol means perpendicular. Corresponding angles. We'll talk about those in a bit. Transversal, we'll talk about that in a bit. We got an example down there, number 6. And then interior and exterior, you guys know what that means, right? Inside and outside. All right, so here we go. A and B. A and B. Are they parallel?
Yes.
How do you know? How do you know? Because it says A is, what does the symbol mean here? Because I told you, right? I wrote that. Okay? And because A is parallel to B, and then it's cut by a, what's this called? Oh, it's a C, but it's also called transversal. Special things happen, right? So right here it says special things happen. So the special things are, if you look at where we have that one green mark, does everybody see where the one green mark is? Okay, so right here and right here. What is true about those two angles? Ashen? They're corresponding, which means they're equal, and they sit in similar positions, right? So this green angle right here is above A and to the left of C, yes?
Yes.
And this green angle is above B and to the left of C. So they're sitting in very similar positions. They also are both what kind of angles? We call them acute angles. So they sit in a similar position, and they are the exact same measurement. Just know? Yeah. And then if you look at our 2 red markers, our 3 black markers, and our 4 blue markers, they're all indicating corresponding angles. Is that cool? Yeah. Similar position, same angle measurement. Number 11. Remember this guy? I gave you 70 degrees. Were you able to figure out everything else in black? Yeah. Why is this 70 degrees right here? Vertical. Say vertical. Vertical. Why is this 70 degrees? Corresponding. Excellent, corresponding. Why is this 110?
Because there's
why if you use 70 as your explanation, they make what kind of line? A straight line. What does a straight line measure? 180. 180, right? Okay. And then you can figure out the rest of them for the same reasons. Vertical angles, corresponding angles, straight lines, right? In this situation, number 12, A and B are what? To what? A and B are actually not perpendicular. They're parallel, right? But they are perpendicular to, which means what kind of angles are formed?
Right.
Everybody?
right.
90-degree angles, right? Okay, and then the last thing we did down here was we talked about more special rules. So X and Y are what? What are X and Y?
Parallel.
What is this line called again?
Transversal.
And special rules happen, right? We were able to understand that alternating interior angles, so the interior angles are the angles on the inside of a parallel line, or inside of parallel lines, right? Have special rules. 3 and 6, do they alternate? Yes or no?
Yes.
What are they alternating? They're alternating the transversal, aren't they? So therefore, if they're alternating interior angles, because they're both on the inside, they're equal, right?
Yes.
Are 5 and 4 alternating?
Yes.
What are they alternating? Are they on the inside?
Yes.
So they're alternating interior angles, and we have them all listed here, right? And then the same thing, I'm going to use a different color in this one. Angle 1 alternates the transversal with what other angle?
8.
So are they the same?
Yes.
And if you really want to double check to make sure they're the same, what kind of angle is this one?
Obtuse.
What kind of angle is this one?
Obtuse.
We cool?
Yes.
And then the other last two would be 7 and 2. They're also alternating exterior angles, right?
Yes.
So you could explain that angles are equal by using the definition or the words alternating interior angles or alternating exterior angles. Yes, no?
Yes.
So are you good? Questions?